everyone, this is Heather. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be taking a look at the July 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. It just got delivered a day or two ago and I thought I would open it up and take a look at it with you. I have cut the tape, but I haven't actually opened it up. I will admit I did see a preview on social media. It's so hard to not see those. I did see one, so I kind of know what the projects are a little bit, but I haven't actually opened up the kit yet. So let's get it open and see what's inside. So as always, we have a small stamp set. Looks like it's sentiments, a for you, a to and a from, enjoyed, thinking of you, thank you, and some lines and stitches. Sorry for that overhead glare. And then we have also got a soft suede ink pad. And oh, it's so cute. So this is called Picnic Parade, and it is baskets and note cards. Looks like little fruit baskets and note cards. So let me cut this open and let's see what's inside. Okay, wow, this kit has a lot of stuff in it. Also, I've gone ahead and opened up my ink pad. And just a little tip, I always like to condition any clear stamps that I get before I use them. And I just do that with a white chalk eraser. I just leave them on the acetate sheet and just rub them with a white eraser. I feel like that kind of makes them stamp out a little bit easier the first time that I use them. So I've gone ahead and done that. So let's take a look at what's inside. So it looks like we get some twine and some brads and adhesive, foam squares and dots. Oh, look at these little envelopes. These are so cute. So there's little small gift envelopes with an apple on them. And then also with strawberries and blackberries. And oh yeah, they're plaid on the inside. Those are cute. Those are really sweet. And then there's like a little label for the recipient's name. Looks like some stickers. And then card bases. Pieces to build the basket. And lots of die cut labels. Little banners. And then also laser cut stickers for leaves and berries. Oh, there's some really pretty tissue. There's also, so there looks like there's apples, strawberries, and blueberries in laser die cut images. Some more pieces of the basket. Some, wow, it's got a lot in it. There's some printed vellum, and then also some printed tissue paper in the different colors. So I'm going to kind of separate this out so I can put one whole basket and note card together with you. I'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like the first thing that we need to do is take the long brim sticker and the basket handle and line those holes up. It kind of makes a T. I'm going to put one of the brads through and open it up. And then the sticker gets laid across where it says basket base, like so. And then if you want to trim off the little tail there, you can do that. And then we're going to raise up the other side and pull that sticker around on both these sides. And now we're going to get another one of the long brim stickers and adhere this to the same handle that we've adhered to the basket. So I'm going to place the sticker over top and get another one of my brads. And put that through. So sorry, it's kind of hard to get it all on camera. So I'm gonna bring this down over top and line that up on the other side. Hope that's clear like that. And then the same thing, we're gonna bring up the side and run the sticker around, and the side, and run the sticker around. Isn't that cute? So we've got a really cute basket. And now I'm going to take some of the tissue paper and place it inside. So now I'm ready to do some stamping. I'm going to stamp to from on one of the tags. And on the banner piece, I'm going to stamp enjoy. And on this other tag piece, I'm going to stamp some of the stripes. So I'm going to adhere my tag to the basket with some of the twine that's included. So I have tied my tag onto the handle of my basket. I did it off camera. It was just a little too fidgety to do on camera. And now we're going to put our note tag or note card together. And so on the back of one of the pattern pieces of vellum, I've adhered glue dots. Place that on the little craft card base. And now I'm going to wrap this around twice with twine and tie it in the front. So again, I had to do that off camera. I just wrapped the twine around and tied it in the front. I'm going to take one of the apple die cuts and I have placed the foam tape on it. I'm going to place that on my card. I'm going to grab one of the leaf stickers and kind of tuck that in underneath. And then I've also put foam on the back of the labels. And I'm going to place those on top of each other on top. And there is our finished little gift card. And here is the envelope that goes along with it. And our finished basket. And real quick, I wanted to jump back in and share with you an alternative idea that I did with this kit. I thought these baskets would be perfect for Easter. And so I used the new Best Bunny stamp set from Stampin' Up. It's in the current catalog. And so I just stamped the little small bunny and some grass on a tag and stamped some of the carrots around the edges and just colored it in with Stampin' Blends markers. And then also just made a cute little tag with a carrot. So I thought this would make just a fun alternative idea. So you want to hang on to some of these baskets and use them for Easter. I thought they'd be great. I think these are so cute. I love that there's 3 different designs that you get, the strawberry, the apple, and the blueberries. I think these would make really great back to school teacher gifts for your kids to take to their new teacher. Fill it up with some little candies or treats or some little mini apples or anything like that. So I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the July Picnic Paradise kit, July 2018, from Stampin' Up and Paper Pumpkin. And if I didn't mention, you get enough to make 4 each of the gift cards. So 4 apples, 4 blueberries, and 4 strawberries, and enough to make 4 different baskets. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my channel. I have lots of other tutorials and product reviews, and I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.